Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Many-time champions Kingston College and Excelsior High recorded wins over Charlie Smith and Kingston Technical respectively as the first set of games in the quarter-final round of the Issa Manning Cup concluded on Saturday at the Stadium East Field.
A week ago, Excelsior were having conversations about the next season of schoolboy football. But on Saturday, they walked onto the Stadium East Field as equals to Kingston Technical, who surprised many to be among the top 8 in the urban area competition. Excelsior, who were promoted to the quarter-final round due to the use of ineligible players from Camperdown and Tivoli Gardens, were keen on making the best of the lifeline they were thrown on Tuesday. It was Excelsior who took the lead in the 27th minute as Javon Sims found the go-ahead goal. That lead, however, lasted only 8 minutes as Kingston Technical were back level through Maquan Aldridge in the 35th. In the second half, Excelsior again found themselves in front when Orlando Kalami made the game 2-1 in the 64th. And the points were made sure 3 minutes from time, with Javon Smith making it 3-1 for the Eagles. In the second game of the doubleheader at Stadium East, Kingston College easily dispatched 10-man Charlie Smith 3-0. After 8 minutes of pressure from Charlie Smith, Kingston College found the opening goal in the 9th minute through a wonder strike from Christopher Pearson. That 1-0 lead they held until the 67th minute when Ronaldo Berger headed home for KC's second. The third goal came in the 86th minute as KC recorded their 6th straight win this season.
We really settled down as the game went on. We really did expect Charlie to come at us in the earlies. We played them in pre-season and we drew 2-2 with them, and they were very aggressive in their intent. But we probably would have worked them out and figured out probably once we can withstand this kind of pressure in the earlies, and once we settle down and play the Kingston College game and really wear them down, we figured that we would have a chance to win this game, and this is exactly what we did.
Both KC and Excelsior will meet in the top of the table clash next Saturday, with the winner almost assured a spot in the semi-finals. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.